Let me show you how to use a Ghost 2 Immobiliser on an automatic car with a push to start button. So let's come in and I'll demonstrate that to you. So firstly, you jump in as you normally would do. You don't put your foot on the pedals at all. You turn the ignition on by by pushing the start button. Once the ignition lights all come on, then you enter your code. So I'm going to enter the code. And we'll get 2 beeps. Once you get the 2 beeps, you now can start the vehicle up. And that is it. So please remember to wait for the 2 beeps before you actually start the vehicle up, because if you don't, it can throw up some errors, and the error is only temporary, so next time you switch it off, start it up, redo the procedure, and it'll be fine. That is how you use a Ghost Immobiliser on a vehicle that has push to start and is an automatic.